It's What's Cooking Wednesday here on the morning show. It's almost time for us to wrap things up and get into our favorite part of a What's Cooking Wednesday, and that's the tasting. But yes, things are shaping up, and I must say, our chef has made vegan look oh so easy. And yes, we are making a spicy scrambled tofu dish today. And yes, the aromas are smelling so great. We've done quite a bit, and now we left with just the little parts, right? So, Chef Videhi, what have we mixed in here? We mixed the onion, the garlic, the peppers.
Yes, the onion, the garlic, the peppers, all our spices. And now we're going to toss in the tofu.
All right.
So
And then you just
everything
chuck it in there.
Just try and get all of that in there.
Okay. Okay.
For the final spicing,
The black salt.
which is also known as kala namak. This is going to give it that eggy taste that I was talking about.
All right.
And
some nutritional yeast as well.
Yes.
Okay.
You can add about a tablespoon or two.
Okay.
And this is going to add a lovely cheesy flavor.
Okay.
Give this a good stir.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at all this come together.
It really is coming together. I wish I'd known this like back then, because tofu was the one thing that I shied away from making because I just really didn't know how to make it. But with this, I think I'm going to go back. Ooh, would you look at that? It's coming together very nicely.
I just want to get that all in there. And we're just going to let this cook for about another 5 minutes.
This is what it looks like. Ooh.
There we go.
Ooh, there we go. Ooh, looks really lovely. Okay. And then we still have our olives, our chili. When do we add that?
So that's going to be we're going to add that finally to the dish. We're going to turn it off and just pop that into the dish.
Okay.
So we have the olives, we have the capers, and the chili. The chili is optional.
Okay.
You know,
I
if
think
you want
we
a little more
heat because there are some people in the studio that just don't eat
Okay,
chili.
all right.
So maybe we can just
like
put
I
it at
said, that
the
is
table
optional.
and have them opt in or out.
Yes.
Okay.
So this dish is almost done.
Okay.
And that is it. That is your tofu scramble.
Ooh,
made in a jiffy.
Smells so good. So can we start plating?
Yes, we can.
Okay, let's get to it.
Can I just wait, I'll turn this off.
Okay.
Let's pop in
the olives. So you add the olives when you've switched it off?
Yes.
Okay, and the capers as well. Okay.
Stir
and
that
then you
in.
mix. Oh my goodness. I'm getting so excited. My taste buds are like dancing right now.
And that is what I promised in the beginning of the show.
Yes, you did. Oh, wow.
Right.
Look at how nicely it's come together there.
We will leave the chili for last.
Okay.
Let us plate
and then
this.
you can start plating. All right. There we go.
So you can always taste for salt.
Okay.
And add that,
Ooh.
at the
It
end of
smells
your
so
dish.
good. It smells like it's actually got meat in it, and it does not. It's all tofu and the vegetables that we've put in there.
So one thing that we haven't touched on
Yeah.
is actually the benefits of tofu. So tofu has a good amount of protein.
Okay.
So you're definitely going to be getting your protein requirements.
All right. Look, we are going to complete plating these plates, and then when we get back, so taste our vegan dish for this morning. Stay with us. We'll be right back.